Greetings of the day. I am Dr. Krishna Mohan, Head of the Department, Surgical Gastroenterology and Bariatric Surgery, Care Hospitals, Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. This is COVID-19 pandemic time, and all of us we are worried about how this pandemic will go. Overweight is one of the major cause which is really creating problem for the people to recover from COVID in morbidly obese patients. Who needs bariatric surgery or weight loss surgery and who doesn't need? Those people who are more than 32.5 BMI, they require bariatric surgery. Those people who are having 30 BMI with one or two comorbidities like blood pressure, diabetes, hyperlipidemia, then also they need weight loss surgery or bariatric surgery to reduce their weight. At Care Hospitals, we have a bariatric program where every patient will be checked in the beginning why he is gaining weight. Scientifically, we need to give an answer why you are putting on weight. So, with that, you understand how to change your lifestyle. Only for those patients who cannot have proper weight loss, even after doing lifestyle, they may opt for bariatric surgery. And these bariatric surgeries are very safe. They are all done laparoscopically, and usually 2 days stay will be there post-operatively, and one can go home. Look at your quality of life post-surgically. Snoring is the first reason. That means you are not having enough oxygen. Over a period of time, it will be difficult to lie down even on your back because lungs will not cooperate, because the fat can get deposited in your lungs, in your liver, in your mesenteric intestinal membranes, and everywhere in the tissue except brain. So how to reduce all this metabolic fat? The only way, again, one has to opt for weight loss surgery. Here, the people who are on BiPAP or CPAP on regular basis to get relieved of obstructive sleep apnea, after bariatric surgery, they don't need this. Those people who are on insulin for diabetes management, like 10 units to 100 units a day, may not require insulin anymore after bariatric surgery. So, it is not only body shaping surgery, it is actually life saving surgery by going for bariatric surgery. And don't think of COVID pandemic. This is the right time to take a decision for weight loss surgery, because if you are 100 kilos plus, unfortunately, if somebody gets COVID-19 infection, it may be lethal. So one must be careful and see that first you understand why you are putting on weight. If you don't sleep even after 11 in the night, think that you are going to gain weight. If you don't drink enough water, that is 3 liters per day, think that you are going to gain weight. So we need to look into balanced diet and 3 liters of water per day and at least 5 hours of good sleep between 10 or 11 and 5 a.m. So that gives you good metabolic health. In bariatric surgeries, there are 2-3 varieties which are frequently done across the world. Can you imagine that in this world 5 lakhs to 6 lakhs bariatric surgeries are happening per annum? In our own country, more than 20,000 bariatric surgeries are happening per annum. These surgeries are being conducted in this country for the past 17 to 20 years, and thousands of people got operated. And bariatric surgery is life-saving surgery. You are adding value to your quality of life and quantum of life. Both quality and quantum you are achieving by undergoing bariatric surgery. And it doesn't require big resolution whether to go for surgery or not. If you have already tried diet and exercise pattern for the past 1 year or 2 years, or you are not reducing even after doing all this very strictly, genuinely, then you are the candidate for surgery, considering weight loss surgery. But I suggest everybody first try to undergo a metabolic checkup of the body. It is not just by getting a thyroid test done and coming to your doctor telling that I have done every test. There are a lot of tests, as I told you already, to understand your body makeup. So once we decide that you are more than 25 to 30 kilos than the ideal weight for your height, then we recommend weight loss surgery. So these weight loss surgeries are, one frequently done is sleeve gastrectomy. The second one is gastric bypass. In gastric bypass, we add malnutrition component also, so that one can have a longer term of weight loss. But who has to undergo which surgery? Your surgeon will decide with informed consent from you. So once you understand these surgeries and the outcomes of surgeries and quality and quantum of life that you are gaining, this is the best decision you can take during this COVID-19 pandemic. At CARE Hospital, enroll yourself for the bariatric program, where we can guide through our dietitians initially to check on your diet patterns, and over a period of time you need to decide when you require actual surgery if you haven't tried for exercise and change of diet. With this bariatric surgery, as we understand, it is being life-saving surgery. I recommend everyone first to take consultation with weight loss surgeon at CARE Hospital. Thank you.